How to mute a site in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can mute a site in Google Chrome. When you're in public and you're watching something in Google Chrome, you might not want to disturb anyone who is around you. If that is the case, then you can simply mute the site in Google Chrome. For that, you first want to open Google Chrome in your laptop or PC. Now enter the website that you want to mute. In this video, I'm going to select facebook.com. Now on Facebook, you have different informative things that you can go through. However, there are also reels and videos that you can watch. If you do not want to disturb anyone else around you, you can simply mute the site. So over here, I'm watching this reel. If I do not want the audio, then to mute the site, you want to right click on your tab. Now select the option of mute site. Once you do that, you're going to find this icon over here that is going to indicate that this site is currently on mute. So now, until and unless you unmute this site by doing the same process, you will not be able to listen to any of the audio. Now, until and unless you unmute the site, every time you open this website in the future as well, that site is going to be mute. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.